Hello YouTube, what's up again? It's your boy Baro Ziggy. Yeah. So today I'm back again with another exciting video. So today we're going to talk about some technical issues. I know all of you have laptops at your homes, and sometimes using my laptops zinaleta shida paka unashanga nitupe, or you end up spending a lot of money repairing your laptop kutoka kwa mtu ambaye maybe he's just doing what you can do. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this computer, basically laptops, any laptop that is not turning on. I have a tip, an awesome tip. Wacha nikuonyeshe, then utaniambia vile iko sawa. And you guys who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, share, like and comment. It's your boy Producer Baro. Watch out. So guys, this is the situation right now. As you can see, I've dismantled everything. It's messy. It is messy. Taking parts off some other computers. Hey, check. This computer took some parts off it. So first of all, let me shut it down. Then to Rudy. You see how it's going through. So that you guys may believe that it's actually not a prank, but it's a fact. So this is the PC. So I tried switching it on, but it wasn't coming through, so I was like, hey, what's happening? Am I going to spend a lot of money? Hell no. So sometimes before you open your computer, there are some steps you can try. First of all, you try pressing the power button for 15 to 30 seconds, and after, remember, before you do that, you have to remove the battery, remove any connected device, then you switch it on after you press the button for like 30 seconds. So in this case, this computer refused to turn on completely, so I had to switch it off, remove the internal battery and plug it back, but still the problem was persisting with the power button. This is the button here. I tried modifying it, but it wasn't working as I wanted it to work. So I came up with another solution. So as you see, let me remove this step for you so that you can see the power button how it was before. Maybe this step actually spoiled it completely, so I tried to protect it, but it was kind of spoiled. So you see, this was the power button. So before you do anything, first of all, make sure you plug your computer to the power. You see my laptop is plugged in to the power button here. You can see it's on. So after doing that, come back to where the power button is located. It is actually next to the fan. Next to the fan here. That's the fan there. This gadget over here. Let me focus. Yeah. So once you are here, make sure you try and locate the switch. which switches on the laptop. I hope you guys are seeing this. This part here, this here is the section to look out for. So the motherboard is usually complicated, but don't let it confuse you. So there we go. With a simple press, the computer is turning on. The computer is turning on. Let me first of all switch it off so that you see it's not a prank, but it's something that works. Let me remove the plug actually. I'm going to unplug it. As you can see, this here was the power button. But to hell with it. I'm going to try modify it. Then later on wire some button over there for the power button. So unaona nikidunga inawaka. So unaona imewaka hapo, imeonyesha. Yeah. So back to our position here. Let me focus. I'm in the hood, this East Coast baby. Chills in the hood makes me so crazy sometimes. Any day, anytime, there. Watch this magic. Let me unzoom it first of all. Ndio uone ikiwaka. This here is the point. You see? The computer is on. So you find your own ways to modify your own button. So that's it. That's the way you fix it. That's the way you fix it. Yeah, and it's your boy Barrow Ziggy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to other guys so that everyone understands how to do it. Yeah, it's been a pleasure, and until the next video, ciao ciao.